Hi Taurus, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for May 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot and I'll also use some oracle decks that I have here. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Taurus. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2022, we have the Nine of Pentacles. Possibly, you were focusing on work, you wanted to capitalize on the material vibration, but then the hard work that was in store for you may have exasperated you. Nevertheless, I think your hard work had paid off. Maybe you also were focusing on self-love at this time. Obstacles to overcome this month, or the challenges that May is going to present for you, is the Star card. I think you will be quite nostalgic in this time. Maybe you're also going to be thinking about a past life, or perhaps somebody from your past is also going to make an entry here. Sometimes, you may also feel that you cannot fight destiny. Maybe Taurus, you should also be careful because there are going to be some people who are going to deliberately hinder your plans. I think you need to find a way. Maybe your expectations are also sky high in this month with respect to yourself or your professional life, but then you should tone it down a bit. Ideally, Taurus, you should control the situation rather than let it go out of hand. Influences for this month, we have the High Priestess and other major arcana here. You can expect surprises and gains this month. I think the heavens are going to shower you with blessings, but the heavens or the universe also expects you to assist others. Maybe at times you may also feel that everyone expects a piece of you. Everybody expects you to come to their rescue, but they are not very forthcoming when it comes to expressing gratitude. I think there could also be job offers this month, but you should be very clear, you should clarify about finances or the services that you're going to provide. Nevertheless, I think there are going to be encouraging results this month. Maybe you're also going to be up and about. You need to be prepared, for there's going to be movement. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Nine of Swords. This lady, she seems to be all by herself. She seems to be a bit distraught. Maybe you need to maintain your poise. Maybe annoyance could get the better of you. Perhaps, Taurus, you should also keep away to avoid disagreements. Possibly, in these first 10 days, your responsibility is also going to increase. Maybe others leave you to your own devices, or perhaps staff isn't around or your colleagues aren't around, so you have to take the onus. Nonetheless, I think this is the Swords energy, so you're going to make quick progress. But Taurus, you should also take care of your health this month. I think you should also be careful because there are swords at the back or in the background, so definitely there are people who are up to mischief. Maybe some people are also going to malign your name. Even if things aren't going to be smooth sailing, I think you can expect some respite. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th May, we have the Queen of Wands here. This lady seems to be very beautiful or magnetic, and she's also quite creative because of the Wands energy. Even if the environment is unnerving or you get exasperated quickly, I think you should not let your poise desert you. Sometimes, Taurus, this month you could give others a silent treatment. Sometimes you're going to be quite forceful. You will put people in their place if they are bothering you. Oftentimes, you could also feel that you are at the receiving end for no rhyme or reason. I think you should also seek divine intervention in this month. Sometimes you're going to feel let down, so it's imperative for you to ask your angels to step in. Maybe your family members also expect you to use your contacts or your good connections to help them. At times, you could be reluctant, but then you're going to surrender to what they want. I think despite the roadblocks or the interruptions, you will complete a lot of tasks. Maybe your plans are also going to be changed or they are going to be last minute work, but then everything will definitely fall in place. Most definitely, Taurus, this month you will also benefit on account of the goodwill that you have earned. Maybe many of you are also dealing with females this month. The final days of May, we have the Strength card. This is for 21st to 31st May, that is. Again, surprises are definitely the order of the day for you. I think you will also receive your past dues. Maybe there's going to be unexpected money gains. Professionally, I think you will be bogged down on account of work. Maybe your superior is also somebody who is going to saddle you with excess work. Sometimes, you could also be technically challenged. Maybe internet connectivity is poor. So these are the challenges which you need to prepare yourself for. Other than that, Taurus, I also believe that you should also expect to compromise. Sometimes, you may feel that your way is the right way of doing. But then later on you realize that maybe a colleague was right. In personal relationships also, in May, I think Taurus, you should let go of people whom you no longer need in your life. Minor irritants apart, this is going to be a fruitful period. In fact, Taurus, if you are dealing with government officials, I think they are going to be supportive of you. With respect to your love life, perhaps this card, chemistry, I think romancing, Taurus, you'll be quite flirtatious this month. You're going to enjoy conversations with your person. Your person is also going to compliment you for being intelligent. I think you should also be romantically disposed. Maybe your person is confused because of your reactions. Perhaps, Taurus, there are times when you are bogged down on account of work. That is why you don't want to spend time with your person. Single Taurus, I think there'll be suitors, no doubt, this month. Maybe your friend could also introduce you to someone who definitely sets your heart racing, but then you could be quite perplexed about this connection. Maybe you believe that this relationship may not go the distance, that is, there may not be a union on the cards because of your different social backgrounds or religious background. That is why you could be quite confused over what you should do with this relationship. Nevertheless, I think this person is definitely going to make you think. I think this person is also very persuasive. He wants to woo you or sweep you off your feet. In case, Taurus, you're not in contact with the person you fancy, I think you want to renew contact this month. You believe that this is a soulmate relationship. Perhaps many a times you could also be cyber stalking this person. I think you could also be confused because there's no contact, there's no communication. So that is why this person is very guarded. So you're also going to be wondering how you should proceed, as the person in question may be ignoring you. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you need to distance yourself from this relationship. Maybe you should also avoid arguments. I think, Taurus, in case your parents, you could be concerned because your children desire financial independence this month. Many of you could also be dealing with a very suspicious partner. Perhaps that is why the universe is also telling you to free yourself. We have this card, Balloon, which talks about freedom. Many of you could be desiring freedom at work. Maybe you want a free reign, or you want to carry on the tasks the way you desire. Maybe some of you feel that the work environment is very claustrophobic, or perhaps some of you are in a relationship which you feel is very stifling for you. It's just weighing down on your shoulders how you should proceed in life. There's testing you. It's like a burden, or it's like a cross that you need to bear. That is why I think you want to free yourself. You want to set sail, or you want to be far removed from such a situation. Some of you could also have travel on your mind. Well, Taurus, this month you should brace yourself because your responsibilities are going to increase. You will be a bit stressed out and confused about certain issues. So the key here is to seek divine intervention. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.